In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email using Gmail. Whether you're a seasoned tech user or someone just getting accustomed to Gmail's interface, sending an email is one of the essential skills you'll need. So let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll want to open your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top left corner of your screen. There, you'll notice the Compose button. Go ahead and click that. By doing so, you'll see a small window pop up in the lower right corner of your screen. This window is where the magic happens. It's your email composition screen. Let's start with the To field, which is right at the top. This is where you type in the email address of your recipient. Make sure to double-check the address you enter here to avoid sending your email to the wrong person. It's as simple as typing the recipient's address directly into this field. Next, just below the To field, you'll see the Subject field. This space is crucial as it gives the recipient a quick hint about the email's content. A concise and clear subject line helps grab attention and sets the context for your email. So take a moment to think of a subject that accurately reflects your email's content. Now, it's time to move on to the body of your email, the largest space in that little pop-up window. Here, you'll write your message. Whether it's short and sweet or a bit more detailed, try to be clear in your communication. Be sure to reread your message for typos and clarity before moving on. At the bottom of this window, you'll notice a toolbar filled with icons. This toolbar is quite handy, offering various options to customize your email. For example, you can alter the text style and size, make it bold or italic, or adjust the color to highlight important details. You can also attach files directly from your computer by clicking on the paperclip icon. If you need to include any links, there's a chain link icon for that purpose. For those moments when you want to add a personal touch, you can include emojis or even insert photos. Taking advantage of these features can really make your email stand out. Once you're happy with how your email looks and reads, there's just one more thing left to do: sending it. Simply click the Send button located at the bottom, and your email will be on its way to the recipient in seconds. And there you have it, the process of sending an email using Gmail from start to finish. With these steps in mind, you'll be emailing like a pro in no time. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.